Hi, my final project for CS50P is a command line Python app called Weather and Activities app. What it does is basically it takes a city name as input from user, then it fetches a current weather for that city using Open-Meteo API. I'm going to show it now. I have entered the city name as Guntur, where the current weather we have gotten as cloudy. Also, we get the local time by dividing the longitude by 15. As the earth rotates 15 degrees per hour, we could get the estimated local time. Right now, I got the weather condition as cloudy, temperature as 39.5 degrees, and wind speed as 71 kilometers per hour. And from the dictionary, we have certain tasks we could do in the current weather. As we got cloudy, the suggested activities would be take photographs, visit a cave, go on a short hike. So they are given from the dictionary. So I'm going to try this for Dubai, and right now I got the condition as clear. So we got the suggested activities as go for a walk, have a picnic, play outdoor sports. So I'm going to try retry finally for Texas. Texas we got the local time as usual, and we got the condition same as Dubai. That's clear. And the temperature is 23.1 and 25.3. As mentioned previously, we got this by using Open-Meteo API. Sometimes it may take a while, so I have given the retries as 3 times, and for each retry it will take the timeout as 18 seconds. I have used only the request module. It's a practical and lightweight tool that helps the people to plan what to do based on the weather. Thanks.